How to see liked videos on YouTube. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find a list of all the videos you've liked on YouTube. And if this video helps you, please consider subscribing to my channel and also giving this video a like because that really helps me out. To see all your liked videos on YouTube, the first thing we need to do is simply open up the YouTube app on our iPhone or Android phone. Once the YouTube app opens up, in the bottom menu, select You, which is the icon all the way over to the right. From here, simply select the gear icon in the top right of YouTube to open the settings, and then in the settings, select Manage All History just under Connected Apps. This will bring you to My Activity on Google. Go ahead and sign into your Google account. This will then bring you to your YouTube history, and in the top menu, select Interactions, and then under Video Interactions below, you'll see Video Likes and Dislikes. Select that. Now all we need to do is scroll down, and you can see a full history of the videos you've liked and disliked. As you can see, it says liked next to the video title. You can remove any of these likes by selecting the X next to the video, and that will delete it. You can also delete entire days by selecting the X next to the day of that video being liked. All right, so that's how you view your liked videos on YouTube. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more YouTube tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.